Evening to one not present here. Today we are going to be dancing on Lord Krishna. Who would have not admired baby Krishna? I think everyone would have, because he's the most cutest thing on earth, I should say. And the most cutest thing on earth is right in front of you all. This is Aparna. She is my student. I'm actually proud to say that she is my student, and she is learning dance. She's learning Bharatanatyam, which is not so easy to learn at this tender age. She is 3.5 years old and she dances extremely well. She's very, very, very good. So yeah, you will see that today. So like what Ananda said, Bharatanatyam is more of bhava, abhinaya and the footwork, lot of footwork. Today I will be doing a complete abhinaya piece, a complete bhava piece on Lord Krishna, admiring the baby Krishna, the mischievous things that he does.
so much, Nalini. Again, a warm thank you. Beautiful, wow, what an emotion. Aparna, thank you so much. Thank you. Yeah, we are moving on. Horrible. Now I'm not able to continue speaking because of this is standing in front of me. Thank you. Otherwise, I just need to hypnotize.